Fisher Building is doing an event called Detroit is for Lovers, and that event involves coordinating all the local retailers in the building with Valentine's Day themed products, with some sparkling non-alcoholic champagne, chocolates, and kind of hearts and decorations everywhere.
So these are all the different truffles I have. It's a little different from the chocolate that you usually see in places. They're made very fresh with fresh local cream from Calder Dairy, Belgian chocolate, and a variety of different nuts and spices and fruits and flavoring.
The Fisher Building is a great place for shopping because it presents this beautiful historical context to your average retail shopping experience. You're not going to some prefab building, you're not going to a giant gross shopping mall, you're in a beautiful historic skyscraper in the heart of Detroit.